Hello, ipagpatuloy natin ang discussion ng coverage ng LET or Licensure Examination for Teachers. Ang Part C, ito na yung area of specialization and it differs based on your particular division and subject. So since I'm applying for secondary education, major in English, ito yung mga dapat kong pag-aralan. Remedial instruction in English and English for specific purposes, theoretical foundations of language and literature, and of course, specific literature. So merong introduction to linguistics, structure of English, and various types of literature. Of course, meron ding questions regarding methodology, the teaching of speaking, listening and reading, teaching of literature, preparation of evaluation of instructional materials, language and literature assessment, language research, campus journalism, translation and editing of text, speech and stage arts, etc. So yung sa theoretical foundations of language and literature, makikita mo, there will be questions about introduction to linguistics, structure of English, introduction of stylistics, and literary criticism. Sa literature, mayroong questions regarding mythology and folklore, Afro-Asian literature, and English and American literature.